Imagine a dark, narrow street in Frankfurt, Germany. A family changes the world forever. They have built a secret empire. Their power has reached kings, queens, and entire nations. Welcome to the channel. Today, we look at the incredible story of the Rothschild family. In this lesson, we practice the present perfect tense. Listen closely for have and has. Let us begin our journey in the 18th century. Life has not been easy here. For more than 500 years, the Jewish community has faced many difficult rules. They have not had the right to buy land or work in traditional professions. However, these hard conditions have forced them to become creative and very smart with money. Instead of farming, many families have developed a solid system of currency exchange and loans. This clever financial system has helped them to survive, adapt, and prosper in difficult times. In the year 1743, a man named Amschel Moses Bauer opened a small shop. He was a goldsmith, but his business focused on changing coins and giving loans. Amschel bought a simple house. He established his financial office on the first floor. To attract customers, he hung a distinctive sign above the door, a red shield. Over time, local people started to recognize the business as the shop of the Red Shield. In German, the word for red is Rot, and shield is Schild. Rothschild was born. Although Amschel started the business, the real architect was his son, Mayer Amschel Rothschild. Mayer learned everything about coins and finance from his father. He was an ambitious young man. He did not want to be a local shopkeeper. He wanted to change finance forever. Mayer worked hard. In 1769, his great efforts have finally paid off beautifully. He achieved a prestigious title. He became an official financial representative of the royal court. This was a massive achievement. It has opened the secret doors to high society banking. In 1784, as his wealth grew, Mayer moved to a much larger house. He moved with his wife, Guttel, and their 10 children in the Jewish lane. Among their children, there were 5 strong boys: Amschel, Solomon, Nathan, Karl, and Jacob. Today, these 5 brothers have become famous in history for their incredible global financial power. They are represented on the official family coat of arms as 5 sharp arrows. Inside this new house, Mayer educated his 5 sons with extreme discipline and clear rules. He taught them every secret of banking. He has always believed that unity is key. Mayer's plan was very clear. His sons have to expand the business beyond Germany. They want to become the exclusive bankers of kings, queens, and foreign governments. Mayer once said a legendary phrase that has shown his true, unlimited ambition to the world: "Give me control of a nation's money, and I will not care who makes laws." By 1798, the oldest sons were ready. Frankfurt was too small for them. To build a true financial empire, they needed to conquer the major countries of Europe. He sent his 3rd son, Nathan, to England. This decision has changed global history. This started an international expansion that no other family has ever replicated in history. Nathan Mayer Rothschild was only 22 years old when he arrived in England. He started his journey in Manchester as a very clever textile trader. He quickly has gained a powerful reputation for his highly competitive prices. However, Nathan's true passion has always been the complex world of international banking. In 1809, he moved to the busy city of London. There, he began negotiating major bills of exchange and organizing large foreign loans. This significant move has marked the official birth of the English banking branch. The family's greatest financial opportunity has arrived during the dangerous Napoleonic Wars. In 1814, the British government gave the five brothers a monumental task. They have to raise massive funds to finance Great Britain against Napoleon Bonaparte. To accomplish this, Nathan has used a secret supply of royal gold. His father has protected this wealth for a rich European monarch before. Nathan took a historic risk and has participated as a main financial agent. Today, experts have estimated that this capital is worth $900 million. Thanks to this money, the British Army has received all necessary military resources. The Rothschild financial intervention has proven to be crucial for the ultimate victory. However, Nathan's most famous strategy has taken place inside the London Stock Exchange. The five brothers have established a highly advanced network of secret agents. They have used private couriers and carrier pigeons across the whole European continent. This clever system has allowed them to receive important military news incredibly fast. They have obtained information much faster than the official British government itself. When the famous Battle of Waterloo began, most local investors felt immense panic. They believed that Britain was losing, but Nathan has already received the truth. A secret message has confirmed that Napoleon has lost the critical conflict. Nathan immediately went to the stock exchange and started selling all his shares. When other traders saw his actions, a massive wave of panic has spread instantly. They assumed Britain has failed, so they followed Nathan and sold everything quickly. The entire stock market has completely collapsed in a matter of a few hours. In that exact moment, Nathan's secret agents have quietly stepped in to buy. They have bought thousands of cheap shares at incredibly low, discounted prices. Within a single day, the official news of the great victory finally arrived. The market skyrocketing has multiplied Nathan's massive wealth over a single night. This controversial move has solidified the family's total financial dominance in Great Britain. It has also fueled countless intense rumors about their secret global economic interests. Following Nathan's massive success, his four brothers have replicated the exact model. By 1820, the five sharp arrows have become perfectly placed across Europe. Amschel has managed the original bank located in the city of Frankfurt. Jacob has established a powerful and highly influential new bank in Paris. Solomon has created the prominent branch in the imperial city of Vienna. Finally, Karl has moved to Naples to direct all their critical Italian operations. The Austrian Empire has even granted the prestigious title of Baron to them. The unique financial empire has officially achieved complete control over the European continent. During the 19th century, the famous House of Rothschild has expanded its deep influence far beyond banking. They have entered the dangerous world of global politics and major industrial monopolies across several continents. For example, the young nation of Brazil has fought a difficult conflict for its independence from Portugal. Portugal demanded a massive payment, and Brazil has not had that kind of money to pay them. Nathan Rothschild has stepped in and has provided a giant loan to the South American nation. This single diplomatic move has opened the doors for the Rothschild family in Latin America very quickly. Meanwhile, in Italy, Karl Rothschild has built incredibly strong ties with the powerful Catholic Church. He has provided significant loans to the Vatican to help them with their financial problems. His influence has become so immense that even the Pope did not require the traditional sign of submission. When Nathan died in 1836, the family has already secured its position as the ultimate world bankers. As the Industrial Revolution transformed the world, the new generation of Rothschilds has adapted very quickly. They have invested heavily in the emerging railway networks of France and the Austrian Empire. In Spain, They have acquired strategic mines to control the global monopoly of precious mercury. They have also bought massive gold reserves to control the currency supply of many nations. Their main company has officially become the primary bullion agent for the famous Bank of England. Over the years, their incredible riches have purchased legendary luxury and beautiful palaces across Europe. They have constructed many iconic properties to display their immense art collections to high society guests. Nathan Rothschild has transformed a simple French vineyard into a famous luxury wine brand. To protect this astronomical fortune, the family has strictly maintained a highly controversial marriage tradition. To keep control inside the family, Rothschild women have married their first cousins for generations. The family's financial reach has also crossed the Atlantic Ocean to help the United States. During a terrible economic recession, the American government has run out of its vital gold reserves. Working in partnership with J.P. Morgan, they have loaned the United States enough gold to survive. This crucial action has saved the national treasury and has protected the country from total collapse. The arrival of the 20th century has brought massive geopolitical transformations and new difficult challenges. In 1901, the original Frankfurt branch has closed its doors after many years. This event has cut the deep ties with their beautiful hometown for almost a century. After the First World War, the Rothschild family has adapted to a very different world. They have financed major infrastructure projects, like the modern construction of the London Underground. The family's presence in global politics has convinced critics about their secret and powerful influence. In 1919, the family has secured the permanent role of fixing the global gold price. This important daily meeting has taken place inside their private offices in the City of London. However, the Second World War has forced the family to face its darkest and hardest period. Dangerous political conflicts in Europe have forced them to dissolve their banks and flee for safety. Rival regimes have incautated their legendary palaces, luxury properties, and immense art collections for years. Although the recovery was slow, they have built a new financial stronghold in the United States. The creation of Rothschild Incorporated has shown their incredible ability to survive and prosper again. The modern history of the family has continued to attract intense public fascination and mystery. In Switzerland, they have expanded into high-level asset management for the most exclusive clients. Later, in 1972, strange photos from a private surrealist ball have leaked to the public. The guests have arrived wearing bizarre masks, and the palace has glowed in deep red lights. These mysterious images have sparked major rumors about secret societies and strange occult rituals. Today, the massive Rothschild fortune has divided among hundreds of different heirs all around the world. This is why individual members have rarely appeared at the top of the famous Forbes lists. However, historians have estimated that their combined wealth is more than $300 billion. The legendary 5 arrows of Mayer Amschel Rothschild have left a permanent mark on modern civilization. They have shaped global capitalism and international banking in a way that no other family has achieved. We have reached the end of this incredible history lesson and global adventure. Today, you have learned about a legendary family that shaped the world of finance. At the same time, you have practiced the important rules of the present perfect. Have you enjoyed this lesson? Tell me in the comments section below. Please write a simple sentence using the present perfect to practice your English today. Do not forget to subscribe to our premium channel for more exciting stories. Thank you for studying with me today. Keep practicing.